If you have a myKomatsu account, to check out, go to My Cart. Once you have selected all your parts on your Komatsu account, click on the Checkout button to complete your purchase. Click here to change your delivery address and select from your address book. You can add a new address if it's not already listed. Once your delivery address is selected, click Calculate Delivery. Select your preferred delivery method here, and you can make final changes to your orders here before you complete your checkout. Enter your credit card details and click Pay Now. Once you've completed your order, you will receive a confirmation email with your order details. Delivery can be tracked once your shipment is ready to leave the warehouse. Please note that if your order contains multiple items, some items may be shipped separately. You will be able to track each individual item from one page. Additionally, for more details, you can click here to view shipment details on the freight carrier site.